So I'm in Clearwater this morning, Saturday morning. AC's leaking upstairs, and we got water just pouring out of the ceiling. Out of the light there, you see that? Just dripping straight down. Bedroom is flooded deep with water. All in here. The whole bedroom's flooded. Yeah, it smells like the electricity's burning. And this is real deep here. Great job for Mr. Dryout. Oh, this is burning on fire. This is what's burning. This whole wall is all leaking out. Looks like the ceiling's gonna collapse. Look at the outlet. That's a problem. And this light fixture here has something black coming out of it too. Let's look into this.